Stream-App's PolyPop. On this tab, you can see controls for starting a WebSocket server. You must have a WebSocket plugin installed in PolyPop to connect it to the Streamer.Bot server. After start, sets whether the server should start when Streamer.Bot is launched. Address. Here you need to specify the IP address of the machine on which you run this Streamer.Bot instance. Usually it's used to set the IP address from a network so that you can have PolyPop and Streamer.Bot on different machines. However, the WebSocket plugin in PolyPop is hard-coded to listen only on the localhost address, at least for now. Therefore, this field should always be set to 127.0.0.1. Port, the number of the port on which server will be listening. The port specified here and in the PolyPop WebSocket plugin must match. Endpoint sets the endpoint where the client should connect. It should be left as / as it is hard-coded into the plugin. These two buttons are responsible for starting and stopping the server.